the number negative 7.42 is how much less than negative 5.4? The greater number is negative 5.4. Negative 7.42 is less than this number. So from the greater number, we will subtract the smaller, and we will find how much is less negative 7.42 than negative 5.4. We have two negative signs. We can memorize that two negative signs build one positive. Or when we have subtraction of rational numbers, we use the same rule like for subtraction of integers. So we change subtraction to addition of opposite. So we copy first number, negative 5.4, change subtraction to addition to opposite. So opposite to negative 7.42 is positive 7.42. We don't have to write another positive sign. We don't write positive sign. So, like I said, negative and negative build one positive sign. Subtraction, we change to addition of opposite. Opposite to negative 7.42 is positive 7.42. And now, when we have addition, one number is negative, one positive. First, we check which of these two numbers is greater. We forgot about negative sign. We compare the numbers 5 and 7. 7 is greater, so we check the sign before the greater number is positive. So we can write positive sign, and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal. We have 7.42 minus 5.4. Subtraction decimals. We can fill empty space by 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Decimal point we copy. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we got 2.02. We don't have to write positive sign. So we see that the number negative 7.42 is 2.02 less than negative 5.4. This is my solution.